Hi guys, you can see how beautiful our city looks at night. Yes, this is Yaounde at night during the AfCON 2021. The city is so beautifully lit that I couldn't help but make this video to show you these beautiful night scenes of Yaounde. So we are starting from Poste Central, which is the central post office, and it's like the center of Yaounde. You can see Yaounde, you can see the end sign there with the map of Africa. You can see on this side the lion. The national team here is the Indomitable Lions, and then of course you can see the flag of Cameroon. Very beautiful, and this is just the beginning. I'm going to take you around the city this night. Yes, fasten your seatbelts because you are going on a cruise with me, and I bet you are going to love it. Okay, before we proceed, if you've not subscribed as usual, click on that subscribe button. That's if you are coming to this channel for the first time. Tap on the bell, that way YouTube will notify you each time I post a new video. And if you're not following me on Instagram, like, what's the matter? Are we enemies? Head over to Instagram now. The link is in the description box down below. Follow me at virtuegrace on Instagram. You catch behind the scenes of some of my travel adventures. Okay, so yeah, now that you've subscribed, follow me. Let's go explore the city.
Match pass every 20th of
bien arrêté, passer là sur la moto.
Hey. If you can cut my neck, then you take it. On this is car sticker. That's Naira Marley.
he's a big man.
He's a big man here.
Oh, like especially the youth. From their dressing point to
I just say I know I hear inside life. That is Yoruba.
This is where most banks in Yaoundé are. Okay, Longkak. We're already in Longkak, like.
it is one of the major roundabouts here in the city of Yaoundé, Cameroon. And the main broadcaster here, which is owned by the government, that's the Cameroon Radio Television, is located just around here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can see a nightclub in that corner there.
Yeah.
Those that like to boogie, when you come, there's it's a nightclub for you.
And that building, like, I feel like that should be probably a bank. No. We are moving to the roundabout at Bastos. Bastos is one of the most luxurious neighborhoods here in the city of Yaoundé, Cameroon. In these neighborhoods, you find like diplomats. And I mean, every rich people that you can think of, most of them reside in this particular neighborhood. Okay. Embassies are located in this neighborhood, and many others, like high-ranking officials, live in this neighborhood. Okay. And from this neighborhood, you can actually spot, like, you can spot the Unity Palace. That's the Presidency of Cameroon from this neighborhood. Since Cameroon, you know, Yaoundé, Cameroon is a hilly city. Another name for Yaoundé as well is the town of 7 hills.
Okay.
But I don't know why that name, because when I look at the town, I see more than 7 of the hills.
Mimi Palace Bastos. Somewhere Bastos.
Okay.
Bastos.
Oh wow. Okay, so we are actually we are at Bastos right now. Like I feel like the feeling from here, you can actually see some difference in the buildings, and it is a different feeling out here. And right here, like on our right, there is a team lodging at this hotel right now.
AfCON.
Oh, the AfCON.
Hey, guys, I'm trying to catch that. I almost fell. Hey.
Pharmacy Bastos, huh? Okay. That's a pharmacy, like, yeah, that's the pharmacy, like the main one in this neighborhood of Yaoundé, Cameroon. Moulin de France.
Black and white.
Black and white. It is a snack. It is a snack bar. It is a nightclub out here in Yaoundé, Cameroon, or out here in Bastos. Oh wow! And the driver is just telling us that when you get inside, the Wi-Fi is free.
Hey.
So for people who think that, or for people who want to come and chop life,
Yeah.
yo, you could come. Wi-Fi as well is free in
Free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi. Hey, who doesn't
That's
want
a
to go
bit.
for that?
They bait you to come and spend money.
Wow.
Laundry.
And right in front there, like what you're seeing there, is a supermarket, like Dove. It is one of the popular supermarkets out here in Cameroon, not just in Yaoundé.
Okay.
When you go to most of Cameroon's major cities,
stores.
they have branches in most of the cities.
Okay. I can see lots of flags.
Yeah, I feel like the AfCON as well has actually contributed a lot to the number of flags you see out there.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see Nigerian flag too.
Oh, that's the first you saw.
Yeah, I have to see it first.
You actually pointed out.
That's it. Yay!
Niger.
Oh, Niger. Niger, my home.
Wow.
You see, one thing I've noticed traveling across Africa and also here in Cameroon is you don't see homeless people on the roads. Like, you don't see people on the streets.
It's very difficult.
Because in Africa, even if there's a saying in traditional African society that even if your father's house rejects you, your mother's house will never reject you. So what that means is you always have an option, you always have a home no matter what. That's why it's rare to see homeless people on the streets.
Really rare, and that's Africa for you.
Yeah.
Like. Oh, okay. A Chinese hotel, like what you're seeing right now, is it's a Chinese hotel, and in front is another hotel for diplomats.
Okay.
Diplomats, yeah, diplomats. That's it. This is finally the roundabout in Bastos. Like I feel like you can see right. Yeah.
He should slow down. He will go around, huh?
Doucement, doucement.
He should go around.
Yeah, on va faire le tour.
So because of AfCON, you see like lots of decor around the roundabout depicting football, flags.
Yeah, like African football. That's actually the message that they're trying to pass across.
Yeah, it's time for Africa has converged on Yaoundé, on Cameroon.
On Cameroon, yeah.
Not just Yaoundé.
Not just Yaoundé. 6 cities are hosting games for the African Cup of Nations. Wait. So right now we are actually on the road that is leading to the presidency of Cameroon, and he's telling us that where you see like it's like there are no persons, you have people like there are guards everywhere.
Yeah.
And so you can't just mess up anyhow here. Oh wow. Yes, this is just this roundabout was installed I think not more than a month ago or two.
The presidency roundabout.
Yeah, the roundabout at the presidency.
Wow.
And the entrance to the presidency at the right. Like you can't even mess up here.
Just keep going.
Yeah.
People are even passing. I think our presidency, you cannot even pass.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. No, we can only film. Oh, it's a bomb.
Oui.
And that's the entrance to the presidency. Like you can't mess up here.
Yaoundé, city of lights.
Yeah, the city. What am I seeing there? Okay, that's the
Manège pour les enfants.
Yaoundé 2 council.
Là-bas, c'est un restaurant.
Okay. Are you getting that there's a restaurant? What is that? Nyada Rocky here. Okay, I feel like it's one of the luxury restaurants out here. Oh, okay. He's telling us that this restaurant is for the rich. Like if you don't have money,
Don't dare.
forget it.
If you not get money, hide your face.
Hide your face. Shopping center. Yeah. You still see some Chinese stuff. So. What? Kai Ni Hotel. That language is tough. Yes, wow. They give priority to themselves.
Là-bas, c'est l'école de police. C'est là où on établit les cartes.
Oh, that's a police school right there. Training school.
Police training school.
Yeah. It is a sport complex out here in Yaoundé where most sporting events like handball events,
Approche ça sur ton cou.
volleyball, and many other things. Like when you go to Kigali, Rwanda, you will see something like I think the Kigali Arena. So this is something like a reflection of that here. And even music concerts are held here. There's a recent concert that was held here by Fally Ipupa,
Yeah.
the Congolese star.
Mega star. This is evening.
Yeah.
Les Wajou consomment le bilibili.
Donc c'est ici qu'ils viennent consommer le soir.
Ouais. Voilà l'entrée principale de ça.
Yeah, this is the main entrance to the sport complex. Okay, thank you. Like Cameroon has actually hosted many international events at this sport complex. The handball, you have basketball, you have volleyball, and the list is long. Like.
Yeah.
The sporting event.
Cette émission vous est proposée par Tracéphone Côte d'Ivoire, disponible à Abidjan sur la FM 95.0 et en streaming sur www.trace.ci.
AfCON is going back to same place.
We are back to Post Central.
Yeah, we are
okay,
almost there.
Okay, that's fine. We'll do it there.
Okay.
That's the mayor, it's the one we are winning.
The what?
The best, he's telling us that this is the best restaurant of Yaoundé. Like, this is what we had the other day. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
What is it?
Bois Anastasie.
Oh, wow.
After the president's daughter.
Yes. Oh, wow. After the president's daughter. Okay, cool. Okay. But I feel like like right inside it's like a park. When you come, when you've eaten, you can actually go just have some free time. You could like and out of it, like you have pictures of the Lions or of the Cameroon football team, and there's the president right there. And here is the president with the national team. Yeah, that just won, I think, the recent AfCON. Here is where ministries are. Have you passed here before?
Yes, I have.
Gros bâtiment, c'est l'enseignement supérieur.
Right. Here, like you have the Ministry of Post and Telecommunications.
Ministère de l'Éducation de base.
And that's the Ministry of Basic Education.
Okay.
Yeah. Post and Telecommunication, like deals with like communication companies and everything that concerns communication in Cameroon. Like
Beyak Central.
Beyak Central.
National pardon.
Okay, Beyak National. Beyak National, as in English, I know that this should be like the Prime Minister's office. The Star Building. It is called the Star Building out here, but we are now actually in front of it. And ici là, c'est qu'un ministère. Ici, à droite.
Il y a plusieurs ministères. Plusieurs délégations là-dedans.
D'accord. And right in front, like the tall building at your right, is the Ministry of Finance.
Ministère des Finances.
Ministry of Finance.
Okay.
Yeah, we're actually in front of the ministry right now, and immediately after the Ministry of Finance, right there you can see MINFI. That's the abbreviation. I feel like it's in French, but in English as well it works. And right here is the Ministry of Public Health.
Ici, c'est le ministère de la Santé publique.
Ministry of Public Health. Yeah. Ministry of Health, as it will be called in other places, but in Cameroon it's Public Health.
Ministère de la Santé publique.
Okay.
Ancien palais.
Yeah, this is the National Museum.
Okay.
Yeah. And it is as well like the
former president.
The former presidency of Cameroon. President Paul Biya actually came, and this is where he was before he left for the Unity Palace at A2G. And now it is a museum out here.
Yeah.
Ici, c'est le palais de justice.
And this is how do we call it?
Ministry of Justice.
Yeah, Ministry of Justice. Thank you. You even get it, and you can translate more than I do. Cool.
Palais Ministry de Justice.
Ministry of Justice.
Guys, so we've gone round and we are now back at Post Central. I had such an amazing time being on this tour. Hope you guys enjoyed. I've seen the other sides of Yaoundé at night that I've not seen since I've been in Yaoundé, so it was also for me a new experience. Hope you enjoyed it the way I enjoyed filming this, and tell me which part of the city did you like the most. Drop a comment, let me know. If you've not subscribed, remember to click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell. That way YouTube will notify you each time I post a new video or do a live stream. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, remember the link is in the description box down below at Virtual Grace. You follow me on Instagram and we'll continue the fun there. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And behind the camera crew, the links to their YouTube channels are in the description box down below. Go to their channels and tell them thank you for this amazing work that they've helped me to do and bring to you guys. You know how we do it, bird loves. Don't disappoint me, okay? Thank you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.